Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet and today I want to show you if the Vedix products working or not. So actually I had used their old one products in the month of January, but then due to lockdown I did not get products for my next month. So for 1 month it was working really fine, and now I had used their new products. So this is oil and serum as well as shampoo. I used this product for 1 month and almost finished. I don't know if there are some drops left in them, and I want to show you the live results. I had my hair wash just few hours ago. I did not comb my hair yet, so I want to show after using them for 1 month if they're working or not. I always use this Vega comb and this is one of my favorite, and it is basically used if you have hair fall problem. So I did not comb my hair yet just to make this video. Yeah, there is hair fall. Let's see more. So yes, there is hair fall. So the point is, should I recommend these products or not? Actually, I'm not brand ambassador of this brand, so neither I recommend them nor I deny that you should not use this. And it's up to you. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't want to, go ahead. Because one thing I want to say, that when you use the serum, that is this one, your hair will look amazing, but when you use the oil, no result. It's not good at all. But I say that maybe these products are not suitable for my hair. And when they say customized product, actually every time I order, even my sister, she had ordered and subscribed them, she is getting the same product. So two-person cannot have the same problems. So they had made it for everyone. So you want to try it at your own. I'm not at all recommending Vedix.